Okay, so this is the last subtopic in chapter 6. Okay, so it's about issues of cell division, okay, and also on human health. So the cell cycle is controlled by a special control system. So there's a control system. So it is not just simply the cell division happens simply just like that. So the control system is at these phases. Again, this is the interphase and also the M phase as well to ensure proper division. So if the cell division is without control, everything in life must have control, right? So if cell division is without control, something goes wrong maybe to the signal of the control system or the cell cycle. So what happens? This may lead to formation of tumors. So there are two types of tumors, benign and also malignant tumor. Benign is not dangerous. Okay, benign can be removed surgically, but malignant tumor is also called cancer. What we know as cancer is actually a type of malignant tumor. That means cancer happens because something wrong at the control system of the cell cycle. So in other words, uncontrolled mitosis leads to cancer. Okay, this video you must watch, okay, and you will see how it is when the cell division is without control. It is really fast and it causes tumor to happen. So there's a lump, bengkak, right? Or they feel something. Okay, so what are the factors that cause cancer? A few factors over here. Sometimes we say it's unknown. Okay, so the common ones are radiation because of the ray. Okay, sinaran, chemical substances. Okay, in tobacco, that means what do you call it? The cigarette smoke, right? And carcinogens, by the name itself, it may lead to cancer. Carcinogens means those substances that may cause cancer. Okay, it can be genetic factors, it can be caused by bacteria and viruses. So this will cause the cell to divide continuously without control, okay, eventually developing into a tumor. And the cancer cells will spread. We say metastasis happens and this destroys the normal cells around them. Okay, so this condition will affect the functions of the tissues around them. Okay, cancer that is not identified at the early stage can cause damage to the organs and finally death. Okay, so the term here metastasis means spreading. Okay, spread to the normal cells around them. Okay, so let's look at the picture over here. So in the beginning, there is a tumor from a single cell. So something happened at the control system of the cell cycle. So the cancer cells will compete to get nutrients from the other tissues around them. So competition happens. So this tumor is getting bigger. So eventually what happened? This one is in the development of breast cancer. Yeah. So in the end, the cancer cells spread through the lymph vessels or the blood vessels. Okay, we have the blood circulatory system and we have the lymphatic system to other parts of the body. So initially starting at one place, this is localized, this is the breast. Okay, eventually we say cancer stage. What stage is that? Early stages or late stages? Stage 4, you see it has already metastasized, meaning spread to other parts. So how does this spreading happens? Must be through some channels. So these are the channels. So once entering the blood channel or the lymphatic channel, it is going to other places. So for example, what is this? This is a kidney. So it reached here because blood circulates in the body and it is so easy to spread when it enters into the blood vessels. Okay, so it enters into the blood vessels and it is spreading not only to this region, it might go to other organs as well. So a new tumor develops on other organs. This is how it ends up going to other organs. So if we say cancer stage 4, metastasis has happened, so it's too late already to be removed. Initially before it spreads, yeah, this one if they are detected early, diagnosed early, you can take out this part. So that means remove surgically before it's too late. So when say cancer stage 4 already, too late, because a lot of organs are already affected by the cancerous cells, it is too late to stop the spreading. And we say the person the tumor cannot be removed surgically. Even if you remove this part, other organs has already got the cancerous cells. So it's only through, what do you call that? Maybe a radiation or chemotherapy, chemical chemotherapy. So that means using drugs to control the spreading, to kill the cancer cells, or using radiotherapy. Have you ever heard of that? Now, that that is the treatment of cancer. Okay, so it's either surgically, but only early parts, benign stage. Okay, radiotherapy, chemotherapy. Okay, this video clip is very informative, so make sure you watched it. Okay, next.